Here's a simple way to just use wavy lines on a simple block letter to make it a little bit more interesting. So I'm starting out, I wrote the letter P, as you can see, with a yellow marker. I used a yellow marker so it's kind of blends in with the paper almost, so it doesn't get confusing for you. And then I traced around the outline, the outside of that P with a black marker. And on the inside, you noticed I used a wavy line. I created a wavy line, a circle out of a wavy line. The fun thing with letters like a P or a B or an O, the letters that have a hole in the middle, is that that's really a great place for you to get creative. So you don't have to trace the line exactly as you see it. Which is kind of like the shape of a capital D in a P. You can use whatever shape you want. You could even use like hearts, stars, flowers, it doesn't matter. But in here you can see I used all wavy lines. Now on the left side of the letter, you can see I did something very different. So I used kind of a pattern, really big, and then a small bumps or a wavy. And these are also waves. It's a wavy line, just a really big wave and a really small one. A big wave, small one, big wave, small one. And you can do a lot of fun things with patterns. It doesn't have to be in every other A-B kind of pattern. You can do whatever you want. And you don't have to have a pattern at all. Random can be fun too. But here I'm just doing a pattern. As you can see, I'm kind of keeping with that pattern consistently on, I did it on the bottom edge, and now I'm doing it on the bottom of the curved part of the P. So patterns are a lot of fun to play with, and most people don't think of them when they think of lines. But they're great to play with in all areas of your visual work. Now what I'm doing is I added what are called some action lines on the outside of the letter. I've done that before on the inside of some letters on the earlier videos, but you can put them outside too. And it just creates a little bit more depth, a little bit more interest, a little more movement in your letters. So that's a simple way to take a basic block letter and just make it a little bit more interesting.